Hello students, I am your new English teacher, Miss Mary Helen. So now students, I request you all of you, please take out your book. The book name is Begin with English Pre-Primer. Okay, all of you take out your book, Begin with English Pre-Primer. Okay, now students, you can see I am showing you the book here, and now you have to take out page number 36, and in page number 36 we will be doing the revision, because I hope your teacher has already taught you about the uses of under, and you can see this that here in chapter 10 you must have learned the uses of in, on and under, and hope everybody knows what is the meaning of in, on and under, isn't it? Yes. So students, once again I repeat, in. So what is the meaning of in, or what do you understand by this in? So in means under, or we can say bhittar, isn't it? Yes. And on means upar. And under means, what is the meaning of under? Yes, niche. No, something is under some object, isn't it? So, if you had joined in last classes, in Zoom class, then we already did the revision of page 34 and also 35. So, and I had given you in SW to read properly and also to learn the spelling of the words which you do not know till now. So now it means today we are going to revise of page number 36, and here it is given use of under. So what did I tell you under, or what your teacher has taught you earlier? Ke niche, no? Here you can see the figure in your book is given, and it is, you can see figure, or we can say these are the pictures, isn't it? Yes. So students, let us see to it what is given here. A dog under a table. So how do we use under? It means the word under we have to use in the sentence. So you can see in your book the word under is used in the sentence. So now you need to understand, okay, a dog under a table, it means the dog is under a table. Do you get it? Yes. Now next one, you see students, what is given here? A cow under a shed. So this is called shed, and you can see here cow is there. So a cow is under a shed, isn't it? Yes, good. Then now next one is what is given here? A ball under a chair. So you can see the picture of ball here. It is given under a chair. This is called chair, and ball is under the chair. So hope everybody understand under means what is called in Hindi. Yes. Now next one, you see students, what is given here? A cat under a mat. So this you can see, this is called mat, and here you can see cat. So how do we say this one? A cat under a mat. It means a cat is under a mat. Got it? Yes. And now you see students, here what is given? A monkey under a tree. Sorry, once again I repeat, a monkey under a tree. So you can see this is a tree, and here monkey is sitting. So where is he sitting? It means a monkey is sitting under a tree, or the given sentence we can read, that is a monkey under a tree. Got it? Now next sentence, and that is last sentence, you can see here, a rat under a van. So here you see the picture of van is given, and below that can you make out here a rat is there. So how shall we say in the sentence that a rat under a van? So hope students all of you understand the uses of under, isn't it? And it is not so that you don't understand, because already your teacher has taught you. So now only we are doing the revision, and that means again we are repeating. So when we repeat again and again, then we learn more, isn't it? Yes. So students, now please see to your next page, page number 37. Okay, so page 37, hope so you have done in your book. Already you have filled the blanks in the book. So now as a revision, what will you do? You have to do it in the copy as a revision. So you will write this one, the word revision in your copy, REVISION, revision. Okay, and then you will be putting the date also, that 5th first means January, and the year here 2022, isn't it? And the day name also. So if you want, you can write the day Wednesday, isn't it? And then in heading you can put practice time. So what is given here, students? Fill in the blanks. So now we have to look at the figures given, or we can say another word also for the figure, pictures. You can see the pictures are given. So as a practice, students, if you can draw the pictures in your copy, it would be very nice, isn't it? And this will be for your learning also as a drawing. So first what you have to do, students, as HW for your learning, first you will draw the pictures, and then you will be writing a book, then blank is given, a box. So already I have written here, students, and hope so all of you have written this, and ma'am has taught you already. So what is I am asking you to do is that now as a revision you will be writing as HW in your copy this one once again for the practice. Okay, so you can see in the picture what is there, that the box you can see here, and above the box what is kept? Book. So what shall we put here? Yes, on a book on a box, because the book is on the box. So therefore we have to put here on, isn't it? The next figure what is given here? A cat, then it is put blank here. It should be blank, but then I have filled here. Okay, and I have written in. So why I have written that also you should understand, students. Here a cat in a box. So why did I write in? Because you can see the box is given, and inside the box who is there? Cat is there. So therefore, as to show the position of a cat, we have to write here in. We have to use in. A cat in a box. Got it? Then next you see here a rabbit. I have written here a rabbit on a table. So why did I write on? So students, please see the figure how it is given. You can see here table, and above the table who is there? A rabbit. So it is showing the position of rabbit. It is on a table. It means a rabbit on a table. Got it? The next you see, students, what is given? A cat under a chair. So here I have written under, because you can see the chair is there, and under the chair who is there? A cat. So therefore we have to show the position. We have to use under. Got it? So we have to write a cat under a chair. Okay. The next, here you see to it, next sentence is a ball on a bench. So you see this is a bench and this is ball. So we have to show the position of the ball. So we have to use here, you can see I have used on, and hope the ma'am has also taught you like that only. It means showing the position of a ball where it is. It means a ball on a bench. Okay, so you will write here on. Then now last sentence is left, that is an impact on a book. Sorry students, wait a minute. Okay, so here you can see students, at last that is given an impact on a book. So I have written here on because you can see book is given. It is already figure is given. Book here there is now, and above the book what is there? Impact. So therefore we have to use because we have learned the uses of in, on and under. So here what we are using, because impact is on a book, so we have to write here on. So students, hope all of you have understood the use of in, on and under. So as SW students, I request you, all of you, as revision, please do it in copy, and wherever I have underlined the words, that words you can write 5 times as a practice and learn the spellings by heart. Okay, and it is not that students what I have underline the words that only you will learn, but which you feel hard that also you can learn. यानी कि आप लोग जिसको थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है आपके लिए, जो वर्ड यानी कि जो शब्द आपके लिए मुश्किल है, तो उसको आप 5 बार लिख करके अपनी रफ कॉपी में लिख करके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर टुडे इट इज़ enough for you. So thank you, and please be faithful to your study. Okay, so thank you.